The REALME U1 has a 6.3-inch screen with a dewdrop notch design and slim edges for a stylish look. Choose between two colors, brave blue and ambitious black. You can choose between two memory options, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory or 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expanded up to 256GB using the dedicated memory card slot. Both the dual SIM slots support 4G VoLTE capability. The Full HD Plus touchscreen display has a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio for a great viewing experience. The phone can be unlocked with fingerprint or facial recognition in less than 0.1 second. Featuring a 25-megapixel front camera with the Sony IMX576 sensor, the phone can take great selfies. The 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera uses processor-based enhancements like high-resolution depth engine, bokeh mode, anti-blooming engine which prevents whiteouts and AI face detection. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Helio P70 AI processor which is suitable for heavy gaming and multitasking. A 3500 mAh battery powers the phone. With the AI processor, the phone consumes up to 15% lesser battery than other similar phones. Box includes handset, USB Type 2A charger, pre-applied screen protector film and free back case.
Honor Play comes with a large 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen and delivers powerful performance backed by built-in artificial intelligence or AI. Choose between two colors, midnight black or navy blue. It comes in two memory variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB using dual hybrid SIM slot. Designed in a bezel-less aluminum body, the phone comes with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and a notch for large viewing experience. Unlock the phone using either the multifunctional fingerprint sensor or facial recognition. The phone is powered by Kirin 970 octa-core processor with a dedicated neural processing unit that enables AI for improved camera, gaming and sound performance as well as AI shopping. The GPU Turbo with the dedicated gaming mode and AI deliver an advanced 4D gaming experience. The phone has a 16-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual AI rear camera setup. The AI mode can identify 22 different categories of images across 500 scenarios in real time and optimize the settings automatically to enhance the quality of pictures. The electronic image stabilization helps take stable videos even when you're on the move. The phone has a 16-megapixel front camera. Both cameras enable the bokeh effect. Honor Play runs the MUI 8.2 operating system on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. It is powered by a 3750 mAh battery with a fast charger. The phone comes with a Type-C charger, protective case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide and warranty card.